Hey babes. Hi and welcome to a new video here on my channel. As you guys can see from the title, we are going to clean out my closet or wardrobe, both. And I am so excited. I have a lot of stuff that I've never worn in years, and I'm just one of those people that just holds on to things, and I don't know why, because it just doesn't make any sense that I do. All I wanted to say before we start is that this video, or not really this video, but I have a collaboration with a brand called Sellpy, which is a service that picks up all of my clothes or items that I don't want to sell myself, and they sell it for me. So if you guys want anything that I show today, anything that I'm giving away or anything that I'm selling, go ahead and check out Sellpy. I have my own store there, so you guys can buy my stuff. So yeah, that's all. Now finally, let's go ahead and just clean out my mess. Here is mess number uno. I mean, I can't close these. And mess number two. What? Please tell me I'm not the only one just doing this. And then lastly, I have all of my lights here, by the way. But here is mess number three. Like, it's just a lot of things that I've never really used, and a lot of things that I don't know what to do about. But let's just take all of these those stuff, and put it on my bed, and then use that camera. Okay, let's go. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna take my boyfriend's stuff and put it in the kitchen, because I'm not gonna sell his clothes. That would be not very nice. But also with this, I really want to be able to give him a place to have his stuff, because now this is kind of like not what I want. All right. Let's go. Also, by the way, something that is very, very sad for me at least, and for those of you that love my Dollskill hauls. As you guys know, I got PR, or clothes from Dollskill for PR, so I can make videos with them. They do not ship to Sweden anymore. I'm so sad about it, because I can afford to buy stuff from Dollskill for a haul. So yeah, that sucks, but hopefully that changes, because like all of the items that I love is from Dollskill, so yeah. This is, by the way, from Bowl Free. I got it and I love it, but it's way too short for me. It hurts my punani when I wear it. So if you like it, then buy it. Oops. Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay, all of my bras that you guys probably saw in my latest video, I'm just gonna put here, because here's just a lot of panties, and here are socks, so those will stay. This is like the best feeling. Now I have some clothes in there, so I'm just gonna put that on my bed, and then wow. I'm not done. There's more. Oh, this is so bad. I hate this. Wait, I get this. I get it. More. My bed is gonna break. It's so heavy, I feel like. Should we just start? I don't know. Fuck. Okay. Wee! Ooh. Okay. So, as I said in the beginning of this video, all of these items that I'm going to throw away will be up on Sellpy. And whoops. If you want to sell from Sellpy, you get these bags that you just put clothes in, and then you get someone to pick it up. They take it, they sell it for you, and you get the money. It's really good. These green bags is for items that are maybe broken or not able to be sold, if that makes sense. You guys hear that I know this. I have sold clothes with Sellpy 2 times now without it being a collaboration, but I just love everything about them because then I don't have to do anything than pack it in these bags. I mean, let's just get started. I'm thinking that I will take out some items that I know that I want to save, and I'm just gonna put it there. And yeah, let's just go. I had this when I hosted the Nordic Face Awards 2018, and obviously I will keep it. So let's put it there. This is from Fashion Nova. I did a video with it when I tried out all of the Kylie Jenner clothes that Fashion Nova has. I really like this, so I'm gonna keep it. This is a gray sweater that I have loved. They have really nice arms, but I just never use it. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, everything I wear is kinda extra or a white t-shirt. that's like me. This goes in the bag. I have 3 of these. I hope that it will fit. If not, I will get more. So this one, bye bye. I think I like this. This is also from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna keep it. Oof. Okay, whoopsie. This is a jacket from Ellie Pistol. It was super trendy like 2 years ago, 1 year ago. But I will never use this, honestly. And also it is a small with bomber jackets. I like them to be big. So yeah, let's close this and put it in the bag. Bye. This from In The Style. I have had such a hard time finding times to use these, but I love them, so I will not throw them away. If I will do anything, maybe I will crop them, so it's just a crop top. Not sure, but keep it. This dress I wore on my birthday. It is so pretty. It is such nice quality, but it's kind of simple, and I love it, so keep. Okay, you know what? This is a PewDiePie shirt for 50 mil club. I love PewDiePie, don't get me wrong, but I don't think that I will ever wear this again. Because now, how many millions does he have? Not 50. So, in the bag. Okay, let's just go ahead and do a time lapse on this, and yeah, if I find something super extra, I will let you know. This shirt I got when I was in New York with the body shop. It was super cute and I saw that a lot of you guys wanted it and have been looking for it. But I'm just not a fan. So if you guys want it and you live in... Did I say? I think I wrote it. But Sellpy only ships to the Nordics, I think. Maybe only Sweden. So if you're Swedish, I mean, there you go. This one is from Dollskill. And I mean, it's cool and all, but I will just never use this. It's this like super lime green. Super cool. It's cropped right over the boob. And it's really cool, but I will never use this. If you want it, go ahead and get it. Because I'm selling it. Too big, but maybe it fits now. Let's try it. Ah, yeah, that's right. It's still too big, unfortunately. So selling that. Okay, I cannot put more in this bag now, so I'm just gonna put that there. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna sell this. If you want it, go get it. Another bag full. Okay, this is the last bag that I have. Okay, I see these. I got these when I was like 15 from eBay. I have been trying to get into these for almost 10 years. And they never fit when I was 15 and they do not fit now. Probably the coolest fucking disco pants ever. If you want them, go get them. Okay, you guys. 3 bags filled with stuff, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Behind you, there's more clothes. And also in my haul, I have a lot of hoodies and jackets. And I have a lot of shoes I want to give away. So I am going to write to Sellpy and ask them to send more of these. When you guys see this, All of these items you can buy on Sellpy. Just go ahead and check out if you want to buy anything. You don't have to. Maybe you just wanted to see me rinse out all of these stuff. There we go. And now I feel like I can actually talk to you guys without it being weird because you guys are so far away. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love looking at any decluttering video, if it's your wardrobe, if it's your makeup, if it's your bathroom. Like, I love that shit. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed that too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out any of these items, go ahead and check out the link in the info box. And that's it for me. Have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye babes.